Understanding the difference between monopoly and oligopoly. 1. Definition of monopoly. A monopoly exists when a single company or entity dominates the market for a particular product or service, effectively controlling supply and pricing. In a monopoly, there is no competition as the monopolistic entity holds significant market power, often resulting in higher prices for consumers and limited choices. Monopolies can arise due to barriers to entry, exclusive rights, or technological advantages that prevent other firms from entering the market. 2. Characteristics of monopoly. Key characteristics of a monopoly include the absence of competition, pricing power to set higher prices, potential for lower quality or innovation due to lack of competitive pressure, and regulatory scrutiny to prevent abuse of market dominance. 3. Examples of monopolies. Examples of monopolies include local utilities with exclusive service rights, patented drugs with no generic alternatives, and certain technology companies with proprietary technologies that dominate their sectors. 4. Definition of oligopoly. An oligopoly refers to a market structure dominated by a small number of large firms or companies that collectively control the majority of market share. Unlike a monopoly, an oligopoly involves competition among a few significant players who can influence market prices and strategic decisions. Oligopolies may collaborate or compete fiercely, impacting pricing, product differentiation, and market dynamics. 5. Characteristics of oligopoly. Oligopolistic markets feature interdependence among firms, strategic behavior such as price leadership or collusion, barriers to entry that limit new competitors, and potential for competitive advantages through economies of scale or differentiated products. 6. Examples of oligopolies. Examples of oligopolies include industries like telecommunications, automotive manufacturing, and airline travel, where a few large firms dominate market share, influence pricing decisions, and drive industry trends. 7. Competition dynamics. In a monopoly, there is no direct competition, allowing the monopolistic firm to control market outcomes. Contrastingly, in an oligopoly, firms compete or collude within a competitive framework, influencing prices and market equilibrium through strategic decisions and market interactions. 8. Regulatory and economic implications. Monopolies often face regulatory scrutiny to prevent monopolistic practices, promote consumer welfare, and ensure market efficiency. Oligopolies may also face regulatory oversight to prevent collusion or anti-competitive behavior that harms consumers or restricts market entry. 9. Consumer impact and market efficiency. Monopolies may lead to higher prices, reduced consumer choice, and potentially lower innovation due to lack of competitive pressure. Oligopolies, while competitive among a few players, can still affect market outcomes through pricing strategies, product differentiation, and market share dynamics. 10. Market structure evolution. Both monopolies and oligopolies impact market structure, economic stability, and industry dynamics. Understanding their differences helps policymakers, economists, and consumers assess market competitiveness, regulatory needs, and implications for economic efficiency and consumer welfare.